house. What thing they do when they engage? What thing they do when no one see us? What would say from the same constituency? We be in primary responsibility now. So there's no excuse whatsoever when we make and talk say in officials in the engage for waiting.
Okay, back to this we no go green wakawe and I've carry come here so wetin be an main demand and for how long where they don't hold this on money?
Well, this our demand the plenty small. The minimum wage when President Buhari approved for 2019, they are not going to pay us the arrears. You get what they call debarment allowance. They never pay us. That debarment allowance is supposed to be for everybody who don't serve for this country, for soldier work, whether you be army, whether you be navy, or you be air force. They're supposed to give you this money so that after you leave service, you go settle yourself. And you not go make people where they cause katakata for this country encourage you to come join them like Boko Haram. You know we get the training well. So that money is supposed to make us settle down. In fact, build houses, but they not give us. Then give some few people. The minister way past the defense. Sorry, the chief of defense staff wey just come out for office. Now he do this thing wey cause confusion. And when we cry, the minister invite us to the office, and he say true, then cheat us. He set up committee. Committee don't work out, they don't do their work. For more than 1 year, they don't submit their report. We don't hear anything. And you know, say this government, it will soon end. And at the opportunity where we get with this, where we say our own General Muhammad Buhari into na retiree like us. The minister na retiree like us. National Security Advisor na retiree like us. Some members of the Nigerian Parliament, they are our members. How can we get these camp people? How we go get these camp people for authority? And you go see us here for street say we dey protest. It makes sense, but not be say we get the intention to do it, but we don't know where to go again. That's why on our find us from the street like this. Say if we cry, make the whole world see. And even if then they hide them from president, he go see us. No how. Now I make we come out here. And we not go come out here. You see, say I carry mat. All of us carry mat on here. We not go come out here until they answer us. From here, we go Ministry of Defense. If they settle us finish for here, we will go Ministry of Defense.
Okay, before now, has there been any step that you guys to ensure that this thing has been done?
Now I thought before you come, we don't write letters. We write to the Minister of Finance. I will give you one copy. We write to the Minister of Defense. Say, make on come. This is one of the good. We don't want to come out for protest. Make the whole world see. Make on call us, make us discuss this thing. They're not even mind us. The letter where we write officially, they don't even respond. So you can see that they don't care about us. If they care about us, they are one of us. The minister in particular, he is one of us. He come, they look down on us as if say that office where in there will be temporary. By next year, I go come out there. So why people go begin to treat others like say they don't mean anything? And I think we make us come out of this.
Oga, so as I don't come out today now with an mat, I expect say and I go down and I carry pot too and stove when I go use cook chop.
No, go help us now because as on I see us we be on our papa, we be on our uncle. When I know see us here, we say we lie down. When I know find us pure water, I be something to chop. Abi? So with the cry say they don't pay us money. Where one get pot, we money buy pot.
Okay, yeah? How do you feel serving the nation for 35 years and this is happening?
Very regrettable. Very, very regrettable. You know, when you work and you retire, like it is done in the US and part of Europe, you know, if you see, say, person we don't serve for soldier. See, I'm on the street like they say in the protest for illegitimate right, constitutional right. See, waiting government no be say the way then they treat us like this, now danger. Why it be danger? See, the ones that where we live, where they serve now, if not be because of them. By today, Boko Haram for don't take over this country. And you are treating us like this, and they are seeing the way you are treating us. How you take things, say, they go happy to do this job. Because it is simple, they go feel say, all these five boys they fight self, after all, if we finish, now like this, they go abandon us. And if they eventually find themselves, with the talk of corruption, if they eventually find themselves where money they, then go steal enough, so that when they come out, they don't go feel this kind of thing. So now the way with the tell government be that say, this one that they do na danger, but so, they don't want to listen to us.
So after our waka today, wetin be the next thing one I go do?
As we come out from here, once they settle us from here, like I said, if they not give us what we want, we know they come out from here. 24 months of our arrears, they don't pay the civilian, and then they tell us say no money. Where then take their money pay the civilian? We want to know where that money enter. That's why I see us from here. If they not pay us, we know we come out from here. If they pay us finish, we come out from here, go Ministry of Defense. Because then to get question to answer.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. If you are going to join us,
okay.
At the federal ministry.
Country people, and I don't hear now the talk person for this group of retired members of the Nigeria Armed Forces. As I tell her that before I come, I wait to crossroads, make I go give people who just they join us a true picture of what they happen for this place and front of the Ministry of Finance headquarters for Abuja, Nigeria capital. Now in this retired members of the armed forces carry we no go gree waka come sit down. Then tanda here for this place, they say they don't go until the Ministry of Finance settle them, pay them their money. They don't dey here since early morning. As I come here, some of them say they don't tire, and I make them, they use their mat, they sit down for ground. So if you just join us, this is BBC Pidgin service. And we come the show now retired members of the Nigeria Armed Forces where they protect their 24 months minimum wage arrears the government never paid them. Okay, wait till you talk.
We want to go for money assurance. You are taking us for something.
No worry, government go here on now.
I say you like our arrangement. Which of the media house? Which of the media house?
BBC Pidgin service.
Which one are you representing? Buhari to fight corruption now. This is what he came for. He came for.
And the elderly men sit down with their mats. As I tell on her before, all of them carry their mats come. Good day, sir.
How are you?
Fine. Sir, you go fit talk to us? Okay, since when you don't come here to this morning? Since which time when you don't come here?
I came here around 6. No, we don't allow it.
Okay, country people, they don't come here since morning and Tanda, 9 and Tanda for this place like this. See this one's day here and carry pure water.
Correct. That's it. That's do it up now.
Hello.
Let's go.
I carry Minister Takari, Bazamu Puma, Bazamuba. Carry Minister Yakari. I carry Minister Yakari, Bazamu Puma, Gidamuba. Carry Minister Yakari. I carry Minister Yakari, Bazamu Puma, Gidamuba.